Welcome, everyone. I hope everyone's having a great day. We're Group 4, and we'll be diving into the text, The Definitive Guide to Social CRM by Barton J. Goldberg. Specifically, we're picking up where Group 3 left off and covering chapters 12 through 14 of the text. So let's get started with chapter 12, which focuses on realizing effective process change. Realizing effective process change in social CRM. When you're rolling out social CRM, handling the process aspect requires careful attention. If you automate a flawed process, it will only make problems worse, even though the process would be faster. This can hinder the overall success of CRM efforts. Many organizations already have a social media business process in place, but they often just need improvements. Key business process success criteria. In an organization, we must first assess the current processes that are already in place. Leaders should discuss the importance of evaluating current social CRM processes to identify what works, what needs improvement, and where enhancements are needed. Then they can compare how well processes created internally perform compared to those provided by a social CRM software package. There are 7 success criteria used to ensure a structured approach. These are ownership, clear goals, metrics, interfaces, documentation, integrity, and fit with business visions. These ensure a structured approach to process improvements. When it comes to ownership, each process needs a single owner to ensure accountability and avoid problems. Clear goals should be set. Metrics should be valid and reliable. They should also be measured consistently. Ensure smooth information flow with effective interfaces. Document processes clearly and include them in user training. Ensure processes are implemented consistently by all users and align processes with the organization's overall vision. In our text, it provides social CRM process business case examples. For the global B2B manufacturer, this situation described how a B2B manufacturer established a private social media community with the specific purpose of engaging in direct communication with its customers. So creating a private social media community enhanced customer engagement and also product development. Consumer goods manufacturer. This was a situation where a company decided to automate its key account management process using software from an external vendor. However, they encountered challenges primarily because they didn't involve their internal stakeholders during the initial stages of implementation. This manufacturer initially struggled with key account management software, but later improved it by changing their internal processes. Globe Life Science Organization. This organization faced delays when managing leads, so they restructured their process. They started prioritizing leads based on urgency and automated how they would qualify them. This helped them reduce delays and made it easier to follow up on leads efficiently. Globe B2B manufacturer. For this one, they improved their sales pipeline by addressing inefficiencies between departments and reducing the time it takes to close deals. Social CRM process business case takeaways. Process improvement comes before implementing social CRM software. Successful process improvement starts with assessing and enhancing current processes using insights from within and outside of the organization. A structured approach to enhancing business processes go through internal assessment, alignment with the organization, and also integrating best practices. The prior examples illustrate that social CRM software alone cannot fix a broken process. Effective process improvement comes before implementing social CRM software. Once these processes have been improved, then social CRM software can be implemented to make them more efficient. Organizations can leverage social CRM software to drive efficiency and effectiveness in customer relationship management.
My name is Saad Mohammed. I'm going to present on Chapter 13, Social Networking and CRM. Social media can be defined as an online mass communication environment where content is created, hosted, enhanced, discovered, consumed, and shared. Participants participate without an intermediary. Companies that engage customers via social media are in effect practicing social CRM. Impact of social media on people's lives. Sarah Palin, one-time American presidential candidate, used Facebook to communicate with voters. She had nearly 1 million friends by then. The Arab Spring upspring of 2011 was influenced by social media, which brought about changes in so many governments. Lady Gaga, the celebrity, has nearly 10 million followers on Twitter. Social networking site exists for caregivers for better coordination. And the Illinois Supreme Court published rules on jurors, all on social media. Theory in action. Best Buy believes in social networking also. Brian Dunn, former CEO of Best Buy, had this to say about marketing over social media. I quote, "Ultimately, I believe that Best Buy's message has to be where people are today. That means being on social networks. If a company or even if a chief executive doesn't have a presence on social media networks today, that company risks not being in the conversation at all over time. I believe that can be fatal to a business. I tend to focus on the positive aspect of social networking. The right question is, how do I deepen my relationship with customers and employees?" End quote. Why social media works. Members feel part of a larger society whole. There is an interwoven wave of relationship among members. There is an ongoing exchange among members of commonly valued things. Relationship among members lasts through time. Why you need social CRM for your business? Number one, to understand your audience better. Improve your ad targeting. Improve your customer service experience. Strengthen your brand consumer relationships. Automate your lead generation. Identify your most valuable leads and deliver personalized content messaging. Lead in social media networking in the US. Social networks like Facebook, MySpace, Tagged, LinkedIn, and microblogging pages like Twitter. They are the leading social media networking site in US. Facebook being number one, YouTube number two, Craigslist number three, and so on. Comparing types of social media use in United States versus China. There are 221 million bloggers, 176 million users of social networking system, 117 million users of BBS, 108 million online shoppers. Social networks and customer relation management. Social networks began as a way of connecting individuals with one another. They are now being used by business in their B2C and B2B efforts. That's business to customers and business to business. Effective CRM management involves identifying prospects, selecting and acquiring the right ones, developing the relationship in order to maximize the profitable lifetime of the customer. Engage in dialogue that result in greater satisfaction with the brand, providing offers that add value to customers. To conclude chapter 13 on this presentation, I will conclude by saying the integration of social networking and customer relationship management (CRM) has revolutionized how business interact with and understanding their customers. By leveraging social media platforms, companies can engage with their audience in real time, gather valuable insight, and also foster stronger relationships. This synergy enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty by enabling personalized communication and targeted marketing strategies. Secondly, by using social media effectively and positively, so many benefits can be realized. For example, customer retention, brand awareness, make your brand known to your target audience, and customer loyalty will also be maintained. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.
Chapter 14: Applying Process Best Practices to Social Media Strategy. Three-stage process overview. Goldenberg introduces a three-stage process for crafting an effective social strategy consisting of contemplate, navigate, and calibrate. In the contemplate stage, the focus is on assessing the current social landscape, understanding its alignment with overall business strategy, defining the target audience, setting clear social media goals, reviewing existing policy, and leveraging organizational resources. The navigate stage involves selecting the appropriate social media software tools, defining intuitive process flow for user interaction, and creating a comprehensive engagement plan to attract and retain community members. Finally, the calibrate stage emphasizes the importance of setting and measuring relevant metrics to gauge community health and business performance. This stage also includes outlining necessary support activities and continuously assessing and refining the strategy to ensure ongoing success. Each stage is essential for building a robust social media community that not only engages users but also align with and support the organizational objective. By following this structural approach, organization can create a dynamic and responsive social media presence that drives engagement, foster loyalty, and contribute to overall business growth. The consequent slides will talk more about contemplate, navigate, and calibrate. Thank you. The next stage is the contemplate stage, which focuses on a successful social media strategy. In this phase, the organization conducts a thorough assessment of its current social media effort, evaluating their effectiveness, and identifying areas for improvement. The next step is to understand how social media community supports the overall business strategy, ensuring alignment with broader company objective. Divining the audience is critical as well. Knowing who the community will target help in the tailoring the strategy to meet their needs. Once the audience is defined, the organization can set clear, measurable social media goals that align with business objectives. Reviewing existing social media policy ensure that the organization activities are guided by best practices and complying with legal and ethical standards. Finally, leverages organizational resources such as subject matter expert and existing content, maximizing the impact of social media strategy. This holistic approach ensures that the social media strategy is comprehensive, targeted, and aligned with the organization's overall goals, setting the stage for successful community engagement and business growth. Navigate stage. The navigate stage is crucial for the practical implementation of the social media strategy. This phase involves selecting the right social media tools that align with the organization goals and users' needs. Choosing the appropriate software ensure the platform functionality meets the community expectations and facilitates seamless interaction. Defining process flow is the next step where clear navigation paths within the community are established. This ensures users can easily find information, engage with content, and interact with other members. Effective process flow enhance users' experience and drive community goals, such as increase in participation and engagement. Curating an engagement plan is the final step in this phase. Calibrate stage. The calibrate stage centers on establishing measurable metrics, maintaining ongoing support activities, and continuously evaluating and enhancing the social media strategy. Key metrics encompass community health indicators such as members' activities, engagement level, and content growth, as well as business performance indicators like increased revenue, improved customer satisfaction, and cost reduction. These metrics ensure the social media strategy yield tangible benefits. By setting precise metrics and ensuring continuous support and improvement, the calibrate stage help organizations refine their social media strategy. This process fosters a dynamic and engaging social media community that align with business objectives and deliver memorable results such as enhanced brand recognition, customer loyalty, and operational efficiency.
Social CRM isn't just about automating interaction on social media. It's about refining and perfecting the underlying process first. Our research highlights key success criteria for business processes, emphasizing the importance of clear goals, consistent metrics, effective interface, and alignment with the overall business vision. We've illustrated these points with real-world examples from global companies, showcasing how effective process improvements can lead to remarkable outcomes in customer engagement and lead management. Additionally, we explore the transformative impact of social media on CRM. It is clear that by leveraging platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, businesses can engage with the customer in real time, gather invaluable insights, and build stronger, more personalized relationships. We also presented a three-stage strategy for implementing social media best practices: contemplate, navigate, and calibrate. This structured approach ensures that businesses continuously assess, adapt, and refine their social media effort to align with strategic goals. In conclusion, integrating social networking with CRM has revolutionized how business interact with the customer, fostering enhanced satisfaction and loyalty. Effective process improvement is the cornerstone of successful social CRM implementation. Thank you everyone for your attention, and we look forward to any question you might have. Bye bye.